Hello everyone, I hope all's well, and today I'm going to be showcasing my Python code that generates a Rubik's Cube and can even solve it. For example, let's take this 3x3 and give it a small little scramble. This is a very easy scramble, but let's see if my code can solve it. Almost done. Now, oops, that's my fault. Now, let's see if this works. There you go. This is the notation used. And as you can see, the Rubik's Cube is now solved. Now let's go to the 2x2. We can do the same thing here. For example, give the same scramble here. There you go. Once again, solve cube. And there you go. It solves it once again. If you want the source code for this, please drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching the video.